taking the piss. He's now playing the song in 2 parts on 1 guitar.
You know, I just want to bust out, man. I just want to bust out. God, Gary, you know, one day I'm going to start a talent show, and I'm going to make sure I get him on it. This is just out of control.
That's a fucking excellent job.
Dude, this is the best version I've heard of this.
There's his style.
Okay, this is crazy, you guys. I am speechless. This is because before we reacted to this video earlier this morning, I checked out the Guns N' Roses video. And I definitely enjoyed it because it's the
I was
first.
singing to her.
Yes, it was the first time I heard this, about this song, and then I like the intro. And for Alip to hit that, okay, I'm not gonna say the bad word.